Hello and welcome to Juris Edge Academy's YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about LLM from Tamil Nadu National Law University, Tiruchirappalli. In this video, we'll be talking about admission, specialization, and placement data for this college. If you have not checked out our previous videos, please take a look. We have made videos on LLM from all other NLUs, so you can find out that information from our YouTube channel. So now let's see what we are going to discuss in this video. We will talk about the LLM program details of Tamil Nadu National University course. We'll talk about how to get admitted into it, what are the specializations that are available, and are there any placements for LLM candidates in Tamil Nadu NLU. सबसे पहले we'll talk about the LLM details. So it is a one-year LLM program similar to how other NLUs offer, and it is based on a semester system. So you will have 2 semesters for your one-year LLM program at Tamil Nadu National University. Now let's take a look at the total number of seats. So there are 60 seats divided into 3 specializations. So for each specialization, they have 20 seats only. So you can see that 60 seats are divided further into 3 different groups, and then there are a lot of domicile reservations and other reservations available. So you can take a look at whether you are eligible to get into any of these or not. Now coming to the fee structure. So fee structure is also very similar to how other NLUs offer. Most NLUs offer an LLM degree between the ranges of 1,50,000 to 2,50,000. So the fee structure for this college is 1,74,500 for the upcoming batch, that is in 2024. Now coming to the specialization, because this is the most important part that all LLM aspirants rely on to decide which college they are going to go to. So TNNLU offers 3 specialization. First is corporate and securities law. Second is intellectual properties law. And third is natural resources law. So you can see that the specializations are quite good. And if you're interested in any of these fields, then this can be a good college for you to gather that information. Now coming to the admission process. So TNNLU takes admissions through the CLAT-PG examination. Now this exam is held every year in December for the upcoming academic year. So for example, if you are interested in doing your LLM in 2024, then you'll have to take the CLAT-PG exam in December 2023. So choose wisely and take the respective exam. Now let's take a look at the cutoff trends. So cutoff trends keep varying from year to year for various factors. For example, sometimes the seats are increased, sometimes the seats are decreased. So the cutoff trends will keep on changing. But you can see that if you have to get into TNNLU, you need to have a rank approximately under 1800 to 2000 on an average. So for a general category candidate, if this is your merit list, then you are safe to go. Now let's come to placement for LLM candidates. Now this is a harsh reality that a lot of national universities and other colleges actually do not have good statistics for placements for LLM candidates, because LLM mostly is an academic oriented program, and corporate placements are very rarely offered in that. Some top NLUs do offer some placements, but for mid-tier, tier 2 and tier 3 NLUs, placements are almost negligible. So on the Tamil Nadu National University website, there is no data available. They don't have a NIRF data as well. So there is absolutely no data with respect to placement. So I think it would be safe to assume that they do not have much placements for their LLM candidates. So if you're interested in pursuing academics, then this could be a good college. But if your intention is to get a corporate placement, then you might have to rethink your options. So this was all about TNNLU. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.